Hello friends, today we will be making 3 different kinds of sandwiches that are not just tasty but healthy as well. So let's begin. So for making aloo masala sandwich, first we will prepare the aloo masala. So heat a pan and add little oil. For aloo masala, here I have taken 3 boiled and mashed potatoes, in which we will be adding 1 chopped onion, 5 to 7 curry leaves, 1 chopped green chili, 1 inch ginger chopped, 2 garlic cloves chopped and 1 capsicum chopped. So once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let both of them splutter. Now here I am adding the curry leaves. Into this goes in the chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Fry all of them for 1 to 2 minutes. Into this goes in the chopped onions. Fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame. So here the onions are fried, and now I am adding the chopped capsicum. Here I have used the red capsicum. If you have the green capsicum, you can use them as well. Fry both of them for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes they are fried well. Now we will be adding the dry spices. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, coriander powder half teaspoon, and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now fry all the masalas for 2 to 3 minutes and make sure the flame should be low, otherwise the masalas will be burnt. Now here I am adding the boiled and mashed potatoes. Now mix the potatoes with the masalas very well. There should not be any big pieces of potato, so mash everything together. You can even use the potato masher. So here the potatoes are mashed. I am adding the chopped coriander leaves and mix everything together. So our aloo masala is ready. Now we will move to the preparation of making sandwiches. So for sandwich, here I have taken the brown bread. You can even use the white ones. With this I am using the green chutney, mayonnaise and this aloo masala. So first of all, we have to spread the chutney on both the slices of bread. So spread the chutney all over the bread. And now I am adding the mayonnaise on 1 slice of bread and spread this uniformly. Now we will spread the aloo masala. So spread the masala all over the sandwich. So press gently, otherwise the masalas will come out from the other side. So here we have spread the aloo masala. Now cover the sandwich and toast this on tawa. So here I am heating up a tawa, and here I am brushing little ghee. You can even use oil or butter. Place the prepared sandwich and let this cook for 1 minute on medium flame from this side. After 1 minute, flip the sandwich and press this and let this cook for 1 minute from this side. So here you can see our sandwich. It has a very beautiful golden color. That means they are done. So now I am taking this out. Here let me show you how filling our sandwich is. So here you can see our sandwich is completely stuffed and they are looking very nice. So enjoy this sandwich with green chutney or tomato sauce. For making Bombay masala toast, we have to repeat the same process. So here I am applying the chutney. With this I am adding the mayonnaise on both the bread slices. Spread this uniformly. Also I am adding the potato filling. So spread the potato filling. Now into this I am adding the chopped capsicum. Just press the capsicum slightly. With this goes in the slices of onions, the slices of tomatoes, and the sliced cucumber. You can even add the cheese if you want, but I am skipping this. Now cover the sandwich, and again we have to toast this. So we will toast this on tawa. So heat a tawa and spread little ghee or oil or butter and keep the prepared sandwich on hot tawa and let this toast from one side. And here I am brushing little ghee on the top of the sandwich. So here we have used the brown bread, and instead of butter and oil we are using the ghee, so the sandwich is healthier. Now flip the sandwich very carefully, otherwise the stuffing will come out. So hold and flip and let this cook from the other side. So you can see our sandwich has a very beautiful golden color. Now we will remove this and cut the sandwich. Be careful while cutting, otherwise the stuffing may come out. So our Bombay masala toast is ready. You can enjoy this with save, green chutney and the tomato ketchup. So do try this recipe, it's delicious. For making onion and tomato sandwich, here I am using 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, coriander leaves and 1 chopped green chili. We will be adding all the ingredients to a bowl, and now we will be adding the dry spices. So salt as per taste, red chili powder half teaspoon, half teaspoon of garam masala, and here I am using the chaat masala, so half teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix everything together, and it's so quick and easy to make. And here you can see our filling is looking very juicy and crispy. So now we will prepare the sandwich. For this, apply the green chutney to the bread slices, spread uniformly, and now we will place the onion and tomato stuffing. So spread the stuffing uniformly to the bread slices. Do not overfill the stuffing. Now cover this and toast. So here heat a tawa, and I am brushing little ghee, and keep the prepared sandwich and toast it for 1 minute from the one side. Also here I am brushing little ghee on the top of the sandwich. After 1 minute, flip the sandwich over and let this toast for another 1 minute from another side. So here you can see our sandwiches are toasted from both the sides. And here you can see our sandwich is full of stuffing and they are looking very nice and these taste amazing. So give this recipe a try and you will love it. You can enjoy this with green chutney or tomato ketchup. So for these healthy recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.